Hey everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and do I have a great success story for you today? Of course I do. Client ID 8077 for the record. We removed a $3,108 default from the client's credit report, and we also make sure that we don't just clear one credit report. So you might just see your Equifax report and send that to us. We ensure that we send multiple reminders. Please get us your Illion report. Please get us your Experian report. And if they are impacted as well, we make sure all credit reports are cleared. We did that for this particular client. His Equifax score went up from 452 to 809. Very nice. And his Illion score went from 736 to 1,037. So there you go. All fixed, all improved, and ready to go for home loan lending. If you need help with a credit report, please get in touch. It's as simple as sending the team an email at sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au. We look forward to hearing from you.